But I didn't want to put a lizard on
Well, now we got Larry's Camille. You restored it, right?
it. Yeah.
It's a restoration of an old model from late 40s, early 50s. I'm thinking early 50s myself, maybe mid 50s. So I actually got an outboard on it.
Yeah, that's the rudder.
Ah, that's cool.
Got a brushless inside.
That'll work.
That's why I call it Camille. It's like short for chameleon.
I got you.
Because it's really the outboard's no good, so I just turned it into a rudder.
Okay, so you're just using the outboard for the rudder.
Yeah, I added a little extra depth to it.
And you got a prop coming out of the hull. Okay.
Got it.
There you go.
That's 2 cells.
That's probably fastest it's ever gone. That thing looks really good, Larry. That came out really good. One more pass and I'm gonna start playing with my boat. Come on, baby. That looks good. That's just about the right speed for that boat.
It is.
I wouldn't put 3 cells in. I'd leave it alone.
I put it in when I first tested it. I tested it with 3 cells. No, we're not doing that.
All right, Larry, bring her around and give us a pass. Just don't hit my boat. She's drifting out. Don't hit the buoy either. There we go. Good job. That thing's cool. You know what that is? That's an old Lindbergh plastic model kit. It's been converted to RC. Yeah, that's actually pretty common. I've got a Vosper torpedo boat from a Tallery kit, about the same scale. That did that too.
I've seen the RC boats like that. I didn't know that was a kit where it's open.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, it's plastic. It's a hull, you know.
Yeah.
So that right there is not a UFO. That's one of the buoys that they're developing. You can just drive out, you'll drop a weight, and you can set marks for racing sailboats. Or you can run around and pretend you're a floating UFO. Don't hit my boat. How's that thing respond to rudder? It does, don't it? That's funny as cavitates, but it's a buoy, so you know.
We put a wedge on the bottom of it because when you give it some gas,
Yeah.
we want to raise up a little.
Oh yeah. Well, that's going to happen. Most boats do that. So yeah.
But otherwise, it plows the water so.
Well, I mean, you know, you think about it, the whole point is just to get out there and set marks, right?
Yeah.
So your sea keeping abilities aren't really all that important, as long as it does the job.
Exactly.
That is still pretty cool, though. That's nice work.
It wasn't our design.
Yeah, I'll bring my tug back in. She's getting out to sea a little bit. Larry, I'm gonna be coming back across your bow, man. So just watch for me, okay?
Yeah.
Where am I at? There I am. And what's my tonnage saying? I am at. There we go. So I will say, so far she's running pretty dry. Got it balanced where I want her at. Let the PT boat go by me. Now watch out, these Navy boys. Good God. There's a Soling heading back out to sea. All right. So, as of right now, I'll give this thing my thumbs up of approval. Horizon's got a good product. There's a reason why it's been in production now for almost 4 years. So, and whatever faults or flaws they had, apparently they've addressed most of those. So, yeah. If you just want to buy it stock and run it stock, that's fine. Or you can do what I did and gut it like a fish and put your own equipment in it. I like it. Well, this is the second maiden of the day.
Okay.
This is a Graupner Pollux, which is a tiny little tug. And I think she probably could use a little more ballast. She's a little bit, of course it's tiny. I mean, the thing is what, 12 inches long, if that? I've got a 750 kV motor in it, which is more than it needs. But it fit, I had it, so what the heck. I'm running a 5,000 milliamp 2-cell pack, hard case shorty pack, because it needs the ballast up front. And this boat was designed for, NICADs and a geared motor and having a separate battery pack and blah blah for the radio and blah blah blah, so it needed the ballast. So it's not my best work, but it turned out okay. Cute little boat, you know, something just to throw around, play around with. Well, that's something I'll trade off eventually, because I do some of that, but it works. All right, Jimmy, good seeing you. Hey, I liked your buoy. That was cool, man.
Huh?
I liked your buoy. That was cool.
Yeah, well, it's just the beginning.
Hey, it works.
Okay, we'll see you.
Sorry,
I couldn't come.
Oh, that's all right. I heard you had to work.
I got your mission this morning.
But anyway, pat yourself on the back. It worked as advertised so far.
JP, that thing looks beautiful.
Oh, that boat was built.
I haven't done anything to it. Didn't do any tuning when I brought it out or anything.
It's just windy.
It's so balanced. Yes, it is.
Wow. All right, have a good day.
All right, Jimmy.
Take it, Jimmy.
You be safe, Jimmy. Hey, we're gonna be at Town Lake next weekend.
Can't promise yet. I have.
Well, if you can make it, but we're running back to back, just so you know.
Schedule my Joe's assignment so I can.
All right, man.
You need to find you a pilot. Pay somebody else to do it.
I can pay them.
It takes money to pay somebody else.
drone let somebody fly it? No.
Yeah, and they gotta have be licensed and everything else too. And if he hired somebody else, then he'd be liable for it if they crashed. So yeah, I see the point.
What's this world coming to, Chippy?
There you go. That's a pretty boat. There you go, Richard. Just let her go.
Pay attention when you're sailing and know how to stroke.
Open up your sails a little bit, Richard.
That's my problem. I'm not seeing charge shore and then into the bricks. Because we're going to put the transmitter down. Left hand, I set it down, lift the hand up, that's the problem.
Is that a trade wind?
Yes.
Richard now has a.
Another one at home, very similar to it.
Richard has
We
done
need to
some.
find a home lake that doesn't have these brick walls.
Well, usually those lakes have a slow access to
All right,
the water.
Richard.
You have to walk the water
Richard.
to get the boat.
Richard. Tack. Bring her back around. There you go. There you go. Until you get comfortable with these boats, you need to kind of keep them kind of close. There you go. Hold that, Richard. Hold it. No, where you were at, right there. You're gonna have to use that rudder to maintain your course.
Sometimes.
There, she looks good.
Just a light touch, but a lot of rudder.
Oh, I didn't have it on here. Hang on. Let's start over. All right, this maiden run of Steve Davis' Streamliner, Kyosha Streamliner. He's redone it, did a restore on it. We're not sure if I ever saw the water, but it was
a great white elephant steel.
yes, it was at the storied and vaunted North Texas Model Shipwrights Christmas party. He stole it at the White Elephant gift exchange. Well, that was good, dude.
That's cool throttle on the stock motor.
Well, but that's actually looks good. Yeah, that looks plausible. It's nice. That's Purdy. She's Purdy.
Need to put a pilot figure in there.
Yeah.
Larry and I are going to work that out. He's got the right scale.
Well, make sure you know how he is with his pallet figures. Might get in trouble with the
He's
missus.
telling me probably only going to look over one, so
Yeah.
I have to work him out.
Well, it depends which one you get. Might get in trouble with the missus. You know, they say inside of everybody over the age of 6, every man over the age of 60, there's a 15-year-old trying to get out. Yeah. Oh, it's quiet, man.
Running it up on the stand. It was
Is it brush motor?
yeah.
And when you gun it, you hear a little noise, but not. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, that's fine, man. That's fine. That is fine. That is good.
And I guess it's sitting right in the water, right?
Hey, it looks like it's right to me. I mean,
Because I mean that's a 2200 2S, which is a lot lighter than what they were running them with back then.
you have a little bit of leeway sometimes, and I think it's fine. It looks fine. Well, that means you could probably put a 4000 in there and still get away with it. Yeah. Yeah.
That was all screwed up on me.
That is nice, man. You did good work.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I'm gonna sign off.
For a white elephant?
Oh yeah.
Back then.
Yeah.
All right. Whoa, I can see.
Now they're probably worth a lot. They're
All right,
probably
buddy.
collector items.
You're on candid camera. Smile. There you go. All right. Look at this. Like a harbor scene. Oh, Larry, that looks good at that speed. That looks really good. That's nothing wrong with that. That's a nice relaxing boat there. Larry's got his Kyosho trade wind out there in very light air. I don't know. They quit making the trade wind, didn't they?
Yeah, they went to fair winds.
Yeah.
It's got a foam hull.
Yeah. The nice thing about these old models that most people don't understand, if they're taken care of, and you buy them secondhand and you take care of them, they might outlast you if you take care of them. A lot of people, that's got a foam hull. Now, some people say ABS degrades. It might do some over time, but most of that's due to UV and heat. If you take care and store it right, that ABS hull lasts quite a while. Yeah, it looks good. Nice and gentle. Oh, it shifted a little bit. I feel it.
There was a beep. I was trying to get away from
Because
my
you're too sweet.
No, it was the donut.
Oh, okay, that makes
I was
sense.
like,